Everybody, I just wanna give a quick heads up on the day trading today. Um, so at the open, I was looking for a short um, on QQQ. I made so many trades today, including some scalpings and some size in trades. Um, the first one I took was QQQ. Um, it was it was not easy today to trade, despite the fact that there's a lot of choppiness going on. Okay, so first when I saw um, the SPY was on the pre-market, when the SPY was creating this thing like broadening wedge, I kind of knew that during the pre-market it was gonna go up, so I decided to go on the QQQ. While it was touching the support line, I decided to make a call and trim somewhere um, by the 50, or yeah, by the 50. I was thinking of doing that, so I made the first call on QQQ and made a little bit of profit. I think it was on the 50 moving average. I start trimming a lot, and then I took off everything. And then um, I saw this big bearish momentum right here. Soon as I saw this candle, it was rejected 3 times at the 50 moving average. So I decided to put a short somewhere over here. Uh, this goes back up and then down, and then I put a short as soon as it breaks the support level. And then my profit target was somewhere right here, but I think I had a weak hands. Um, so I decided to trim right over here because I saw this big bearish candle, and then I did not expect that it will go down further. I would expect, like, a long piece of bearish candle, usually like followed by a weak green candle as well. So I've tried to reduce my risk of that happening. So I decided to trim on this big long red candle, and then apparently it reaches my target. It was kind of annoying. And the next one, I was looking at SPY. It was very choppy. um, I decided to play a call over here because I saw this bullish momentum rejecting the 50 moving average. So double hammer, so I decided to play a call over here and then trim somewhere on this level. So I made about 30%, I think, like from here to here, and I decided to wait a little bit more, and then it was getting very choppy. So at this point, it was looking very bullish. So I decided to make a lottery call. I'm gonna call right here with a stop loss somewhere down here, and it didn't go well. It didn't go well, I'll tell you. So I think I went in very little over here, and I decided to take out everything right here. And then when I saw this, I think there was a little demand zone right here. I was thinking like, maybe there'll be a reversal soon, and then I waited. Apparently the reversal is over here, and then I saw a big sign. I tried to make another call, so I closed this one, and then I made another lottery call. I thought it was gonna be bearish, like going down further, but they push it back up into this key level right here, which is the main important resistance zone. So it's been very wildly choppy today, and then I decided to make a call, and then I sized in a little bit, and then as soon as I saw this bearish engulfing, I took out half of my position, and then I was thinking about going double down. Um, the double down, I think, is somewhere right here. yeah, I doubled down over here, and then I made whatever losses back, turn it into profit from this double down. Now, right here, this is where I trim. And then I kind of knew something was on Dow Jones. It was turning into a bull flag over here. Yeah. As soon as it breaks out, I just left whatever position I have on SPY from here and let it go up. And I was expecting like a very, very big move because this is the range. And then I'm expecting for it to go break out the range. So this is a very bearish, very bullish formation. It's like a broadening, falling wedge, and this is not a really good setup. I would say it's a 7 out of 10 or maybe 6 out of 10 setup. I don't really like this, so I didn't really size in. But apparently, it went up like crazy, and then I made about 75%. Somewhere over here I decided to like take out everything because it reaches my profit level, and it's actually still going. um, so yeah, I kinda regret taking out everything. I mean, I was already sizing a little bit, and then the market looking bearish. My first thinking is that um, on the beginning of the market, I saw this 200 moving average. I think it was gonna be reached at 431 for today, and I don't really want to wait for the market until it reaches 431. So I decided to end the day, and then I already profit by a lot. Um, and then also I made some tips right here on Amazon. Um, I put a swing on Amazon because we see a clear pricing wedge. I'm gonna swing long term put on Amazon because of this. And then I think I took some position as well along with the SPY doubling down because my Amazon goes negative as well. But I took some losses right here. On the double down, I took like a lot of profit over here, but I was still holding this position. Double down, close the double down, and then apparently it didn't go as I'm expecting. So I close all of my position as soon as it break down this key level down here. And I think that was like 15%, close to 20%, but it was kind of like a break even because I doubled down over here heavily and then took profit somewhere right here. So yeah, not a lot to explain, but if you see the market, I think it's the bull trend is slowly ending very soon. I'm expecting like in the next 2 weeks gonna be full on bearish, especially after this 200 moving average rejected. So I'm expecting somewhere about double rejection or maybe triple rejections on the 200 moving average before it goes to the downside. So yeah, just keep that in mind, and then I'll see you tomorrow.